Nyuka yagira ngo
wabuza nyowe ninga wabuza nobody
akabanza kusabotaginga nobody
nareka nkubuze wabuza nyowe ninga wabuza nobody nyondi munipereza submission
me have studied nobody I think promotions and events is a side business but nobody is a TikToker. Wachireba
wabuza
arimo emotions nyinshi
no he is a TikToker
kangu gambere sparks wagaruka kunyeta mutakwenda ngambe tingaruka
kasa tukubwe no gamba
submission ne nimwe mujya mugati gwanyu nyoti nyine buzibu n'umuntu kuzamugati akwa nyoti ni mweshongozo rukundi isati no rukumpa mugati
tino ryo na yase
so ati nyon wabuza nyowe ebya nobody bikuru nanye nakuja it shouldn't be even a topic kuji discussingaho ngo show ya omega y'ibiri kumekane sabotaging ya rugugu tine nayo bikuvuganira tine nayo bikwatagana koga kugira imwe ni mwenda murabyo omega ni mu
abantu benshi kacuraga abantu bagira ngo omega kataso in the same day kugira ngo so right, it's Ankole Media. I think this time I saw by the Sparks in one savage on it. Yes, of course, can't buri zo bangoko kuchumanya. You think kushaka kuija setting yenka. That's why I've got two big gentlemen in the industry. That is Dan MVP amwena Beazin ZJ Serebu Ambara. Dan MVP twakwachira Ankole Media.
No mugisha kushanga ayinkuba ni imbendera. Ni mbavire mwe. Okani nkuba nyine content yo kudetermininga entertainment ya region.
Chicha content bwo tukamara ko Beazin.
We bari kutureba Ankole Media ndibakundira kimwe ndi Beazin ZJ Serebu Ambara spokesperson Western Bloggers. Western spokesperson elected.
Ekintu cha Western Bloggers amwinemu. Are you part of that thing?
No, ekintu cha wanga supporting because we need interest.
Supporting
because they have interest in Bachukunda.
Nkator part of it.
Actually for my submission supporting because in Bachukunda. But even qualifications that because banyangu ba bloggers they don't write anything.
That's video blogging.
That's vlogging. Say you're president of vloggers, you're not a blogger.
I think you don't know the actually details of the association.
No. Now
kiti twatwino bwire nani nza kwahira itindira ko ebiryo mu constitution
president
constitution akwanyo ndi spokesperson.
President is a vlogger. Spokesperson is a vlogger. Is a commentator.
So
no because kujamba chabo
the name, this is the name, Western Bloggers Association. In the court article, this is an association. Irimu content creators, bloggers, vloggers, media personalities.
Okay, can't go to choose.
That
ati ya one
spread information online.
What chairperson was a taxi no ibembera za global buses.
Kandi hati what chairperson wa webjentambo.
Now tutaka jiro mnankani tutaka jiro because ba bloggers are all in hanu yabankanyaho. So custom mu content and botra manye bloggers nichi but over the last week to between the whole it was a busy week. Industry Western Uganda and that is tukatu in already first maiden show Murugogo ekorwa mweshongo za Western Uganda and personally ekitarantuire yonkanye namanze ngambe from a point of view eyo muntu taragire yachenge chabire. You represented I think.
No, I didn't represent. It's just the show found me already in my schedules okubandi Kampala. So I went there. I went there because I was in a vicinity. Ujanguzeyo, I support someone I know. Nora oragiye in an area. Kahura ngino muntari yo kumanya kaje. Let me go there. So I didn't go there. I didn't go to Kampala because of the concert. I went there. I was there because my schedules, my leave schedule fell in the day when there was a concert in Kampala.
Gazini yo concert ekakutomera Kampala
ninga. No, think tomerwa chintu. Kana bwe chintu nanta china program think chizama. Ati no manyo butwerukanka kuja a success of Rugogo show. It is a win to Western art. So it is a discussion all over Uganda. Na nabamwe ba Kenya mbene ndi abakujigambaho. So as long as echina prefacize injire chibireho nyo am happy. Success for Western art. Ejesha on top Western Uganda.
Staka Shirokwe, ati nkukuma mwena already mukaba muri yoba yakutonjere now. What really went down? Dan MVP, in your point of view, chabiro chenyine nichi.
The show was a success in terms of crowds. It was a success, and we have to credit the organization. It was definitely a success. I don't know how it was a financial success. That's an issue of URA and a promoter. But in relation to organization and pulling crowds, it was a success. That's what I can say. Because it is evident with pictures, what and what, people were there. So how they went there, and it makes financial sense to them, is now determined in Wakuma Kokchi. Abantu aba baretire bushabakaza mbakivura bakaza kubalansinga sente zikabura kushika. That's a topic for another day.
Now, for now, today, what is the ground is like? What were the highlights of the show? Like, what show name highlights so that
the show, like I told you, the crowd was there, but
the turn up, then the performance.
The turn up was good.
Performance from Western Ugandan artists.
The performance was, I would say, it was bogus.
Bogus.
Because someone can't travel from Bara to Kampala, and you give her one song.
Who was that? Who was it?
They performed one song. Now, if you say it's now a win for Western Uganda, how is it a win for Western Uganda? Where a platform, someone traveled for over 5 hours to come and support an event.
But have you forgotten that was a maiden concert? Was just to supplement on what was going on.
They should not, because actually he used them to enrich himself. Because I expect an artist. Yiza kushajika mtaiweye na wihi nenkomutebe kubana inangu arabyo. Because it's a win-win. If I've come to support you for free, maybe I need the exposure I've gotten from your venue, in which also my well-being. Now you can't tell me there's anything pretty much or Simba GK aganyirum.
Performing and the crowd performing and
in 3 minutes.
Of course, but you watch man of course, and they have their social as well.
To me, performance was the bogus. Then in relation to also the OSM camp needs to start respecting people our causes. You can't get a professional backup artist like Brenia. Wakamujweka kwa karaoke. Nero kamujweka kwa naza omukanisa. So I'm talking about this. So if take me nina gambe. Grenia deserved to be respected. Bakamujweka smartly. Na nabandi ba band members. I don't know the name of the band.
Were you not satisfied with the way she was? No,
it was a disrespect. But if you're doing a concert, your backline team must shoot the occasion also. Let's not discuss about the issue of Django. It needed more of like 2 other backups. Because this is the first show in the Beroi Jacosa backup home. We had an anchor. Ajipaka koresa bashatu university yakoresa bane bashatu bane babiri, but I remember one chick who was the loyalist to away one Simba Jik. I don't know, but there were more than one at other shows. I don't know why this time round in Lubogo, where you're positioning yourself for national attention and use one person to back like as if he's a refugee or he's a church, whatever. No, they have to respect people who are working for them.
Then out of best now Dan MVP was not satisfied with the performing Abizira.
Even a choice of selection,
Abizira Robazu, performing one song. It was bogus. Then Yagambanzo, your backup artist. You said it was who?
Very good talented artist.
akora na Fantastic Five.
So now
Fantastic Five karango byo korora
No, bari nabe yabana.
Beazin, what really went down
No,
in your own POV?
Chokubanza chabiona, I repeat this one. I congratulate Western Uganda art at large. Of course, like any other functions, no wasano ukoro bujenyi okuzire budget yo plan yinjire wenena na organizing team konkabaruga abantu bagende no complaining ngunyo uko banteraho chapati muri bakamutera hwibi abwo buchapati so tibikuburamu but generally agent general out of 100 shown injereza 80%.
So 20 chance twire chonichi
here I come. Ebyo byo kubanza batere mirrors manyi bakirize tibiruko.
So akachukua simple.
So actually akayenze no kutandika performance za shaisha tuzenyine wakampara shows nezo kwasha mukaga. Konkabo kugira ngo naenda nabandi ba performingeho yayongeza muri like 30 minutes akaza around shaisha tuneshweka plus. Performances z'abana ba Rogero mu Western Uganda. Eziba bahiri it was enough for the show.
So now tugarika acha
naza ka performinga fact ya performinga CJ champion wa batine na Fraya ka performinga nabandi ba performinga.
So I had
that was enough for them.
Acha performing. I had complaints. Arapusa trustinda that I was not able to perform. Areba Robros bakamuzevera kare tikumukwiye.
Robros akatari haraina.
Robros akapresenting area Fraya very forget.
Yano abenazukora bayida. Uzinyina kunarebe bine.
Bakastwara na sarodi. Yoma yakora Fraya but ya Robros nyakajikoresa ko adie muswa.
Oh no, atira nonga.
I can no. Because this DM soga na rebis wako atechoni ya chinaga poster Robros ya presenting ba bouncer ya yangu munanya stage bamuichiza ngo nabo esumye bajibira no mukavu yako
no kahura bayida karuzinge simu
esimu mbendo ni nana akajera ngo akango akajere koria ngurende na poster ngoriya mjango mpese munjitwari bakurebe ndigarure atoriyo wadire taragaruke
sana kagese university
chabire
wase
so Robros then the issue of Posha now because
and Posha wa Fraya kajina yo perform
Posha was
and it was genuine
our stage manager Tariki
maybe Tariki be on the side
so no way the reason why Posha did perform
because you can't do that show wakaboro kuba in lineup and how people are going to perform
bakana bagwa mu bugwiwe
they didn't have get it in a structure. Because when you're going to do a show, program lineup very clear. Me actually I thought the second session I knew it was the second last. The last. So when I found the Poshas, I thought they were going to perform on break here second session because the Arabia Shangwe and Takahuri. And maybe they are going because they're the main songs. Because they're expecting Angeshuro Yarukundo, I didn't see.
Namarari taratesho
namarari timbaga hurire because think maba ya performing abebe shongoro bya remeno kujana Rex 20 ebya IPJ afropingire ya reggae na nebya ebya amarachi ebya afropi actually amarachi aka performing cha bichapinjo cha aka amarachi
mamvuri
amera cha performing mamvuri na cha yet bomba keiminga one on one yakabana tarati performing so I expected the shuro ya rukundo expected Damarari
abantu bona bakumanye byo kusanga ku round yona neme
expecting Rukundo nenyiga yabura expecting batibiyemba kamana ndechinde chananka yabare ku chana we are here not because we are fans we are here as
anti nanye ndimuninkweleza my submission when Roy G akarate ba fans banje I'm giving them this and his fans bakagenda bari satisfied
akabajema falling ati mukimanya abantu balangwa acho tukimanya falling zo mukavida omuntu ayeka ku express ngekintu atechini mukimanya bayangwa
umuntu uri kumarura niyo ngamba ya stage nasa kuja atujitera
so akatera ateke mu kimanya abantu bajangwa
kandi kubatima bakaceshongora batakuchimanya and actually nondizo nasa kuja Roy didn't need a lot of backup artists akuba audience kabikora Echeshongoro chone chi abatandika
organizing stage to kubara abafans
nanye ndimuni kuretere chinare
because bona bajire mitino wagira takoma
ato rode ni mangu fans banje nabamaye byeshongoro byange byona from the beginning up to the end kunda umwana kaja atiwe twe intro hunami
wacho umutandike atwamara bare kunkundo sio unami
nakuja nyoko hano backstage
akatira backstage atabakunu
manyo nani ndeba nyoni manyine view ya babiti ni mando wababuza na bari response yabo
ati yaho MVP ina mukwatara kare yabari backstage no ya sound nene ranzoko atubakata kure
batumati kandi ndeba
sound ya fans kababroke to nananka
mafan nana areba kun atmaya igaruka mu kirunja nana fan nana areba kun yoni mani ndeba kun so mini fan yaga
kwa abo tukabasindika ngo baze kuturebera aho kazo no beha kanisa
no so ni ngambira akabuza at falling ni mujimanya bajangwa
aka video kare
yoroniza yujangwa YouTube nyonka inkere
insonga ya nanka ya falling tebe tugereche
then abati atire forever bakatendereza
then ekinde kintu bayira
reception ngoro tibikwinga of course nico cyabe cykusendera so
kana kachitere
cheshongoro chikanchendera so
abajunda nyangu cyo kama
echeshongoro chikanchendera so ati wori munohendera
echeshongoro byone byati
echeshongoro to kukigaruka
abandi soja
ngani wowe nkari koretite
na nice charwege wakant something churuzunguzungu echo amuna nankana na nejo falling and bakaja byebindi
echo tusirike abatkabasinka ngo baturebe atubiza abaye hakanisa tuze achiburi mu marebere I'm very unsatisfied with the injury ngareba kunana MC na kachece bona bari stage kunana tine microphone wakoze kintu no wayesere MC na atemba ata stage atine microphone
kunana katine microphone
zikazo microphone zibiri
kachece chatine microphone
kachece no am inviting ya tell me call my brothers
and they came on
kunana is an arson kunana bamuteka kure ozike risani wine cyo songore cyagina nabananka naba truth yatera aba boys beye cyahwaye uri nawe yatera nanka kachece yateretse na wina cyahwaye ati edachiki
kumene kutera yebare
kaso rayebare so bwire bakadropinga
kutambure
microphone bajimereza hako edachikezi microphone bajumha ko edachiki ibiri kumara numugira ngo aho tarabire makatora
no najanda was disorganization so what to go
stage organizer
anyenda tubanze tuye makantu ko kugaranti
the wasted people
so ekeri Kampala kuyabera Kampala netandika shazinga yiko makampara show ya Kampala yarenza sha mukaga no wahenda birajuru kabiri no barekere utajete yambara yimukuza mpako mukasheshe
nico baterire kunana
kwereza kuja ngo nico bamutera ndi munimpereza submission ndi munimpa submission yanje no jurisha then you enter now twaturu umuntu complaining abwe nchawe ngo batarafunene na time yo kuza so kunana got a chance to go on stage if we invite kunana what are satisfied with what he got
kasimanya
manya
ine bafans
are satisfied
but no just kunana just to traveling akuza Kampala kabe excited
so
that is the stages just
and that is a credit and from the show kunana kaba excited ya kunana stage
kunana amanyire kuhirwa kana kamutwara Kampala kamuintro
kana microphone akajikwata
so microphone
ya rugogo
but ona kunana the moment yara welcome to Kampala excited so rugogo it's just a bonus
so atejo credit to the organizers of the show
akubastage ya zina dance na nabandi
ateje shaka ngambe na wayeta bobu chap wajire oshamwenda guihango excitement yayine no manyango kuruge
just to call
kamwira mutisha okamwira hotaga yaba
musangire obabaretse rebisani kujangwa samana mu editing tinkumanya wena basemererwe
ate buri muntu wajira owari basira stage
ati turgacho jangura kare excited but is it nechintu chichere kuteka MC ya stage atine microphone MC wotine microphone na stage no nokora
what is it
no bajironga
what rekankubuza entertainment necessary ntumanyiso kwata microphone okagamba
not even but MC cyane kukora niki nchurujura
entertainment. What is entertainment?
No ikintu entertainment ero kuretwa mu angoche
mwe no ndakunja ngo aba
MC na kora entertainment
ndakunja they had how many minutes did they have bona kurugari kacheche Ethan na kunana wakuzigita no maba kabatine 30 minutes
kasuri omo kuya
even actually they were less than 15
buri omo yaza hitani itano nchinche marada than kuteka home
kasho mu stage mpang we need to entertain our people and we make sure ngoko tuja twena to performing nituba tune ku improvising all means kurebeka nti abantu bitu na bafans bitu twaba entertaining with available time na resources tuno microphone zibiri abgenci ori anobati kuyijira kana exchanging microphone na rwe kugamba
no nobody is not an MC nyona nda issue ya MC
turyare MC aza MC akayijere gukora cyenyine
MC ya stage ayino kuba ine microphone that's what you have
no that's what you think but MC who came to entertain
MC asemeye kuzana
no it's what you think about it's what you felt it should have been done
nina kugambira kare they wasted people's time to travel from Mbarara to Kampala. Because no. If you call MC Kachechi with his brand, Okega Rithan with his brand, Okega Kunana with his brand, Oketa Nabande Beshongos with their followers, you give them only one song, Oketa Kachecho Okamufura Muda stage without hosting the event. They were wasting people's time. Wakabagoba
MC wabagyo kustinga event no.
Akarvex.
No we are host.
We watch me kwa host
event. So ati we na kweta we janka entertainer.
Irakacheche wenga mugambira ntware babana bagarakise bazamuzinda. Tasishobire.
Hatiya ensonga ya nanka MC kuza stage atine microphone aho nkareba makati then hatiya but then tuzagaruka kache we shall respectively tuzakuzahuka chenye maho aha ensonga ya Omega kuteka show on the same date when arrange they performed on the 10th May bona it was the same date then chale because if Omega was sabotaging Ray's show. No, what's the issue is that because
the challenge is we are dealing with we are in industry where people who have managed to be successful no one first wait, I'm trying to give you an idea. I'm trying to say when in an industry we full abanyacharo bingi babaze kusalivinga bakakika mutwe ubunyacharo nibagumamu batekereza that they are the ones supposed to be batekereza they are the ones supposed to be or they are entitled to be where they are supposed to be abantu babe bataro because usually kaningana no muntu in a business yangira ati akana aguze nkitu araha mwanya wenka yagira ati if God helps me sendi zo muntu akuguze nkito akanyijaro bazaho it will help me in a way that ba customer kuba bamena kwiza street kugure nkito mama yangu ngito mbazo guriza street
so street yona neza goberamo
street yona neza goberamo so Omega having a show miles away from Kampala, it was going to be a refuge for those people who are unable to travel to Kampala but needed to be out. Watch it. They can go. But I have a list of individuals who are trying to call that organizer our Ishaka to stop the event.
Yeah, I heard about that. By the way, half the events, I'll just come from my POV, from what I had and what I'm sure of. There are some people, apparently, like allegedly, bakuruga camp ya awesome.
Mani ba.
Abene batera half events ngwa heyo show ya Omega.
Yeah, so what I'm trying to say. So they were trying to call them. No, that one is his business. Work on business and this. So, and even to have information right. To make it clear to fans, the organizer of our event, because this is the second time Happy Events is hosting Omega.
You were saying these were the second
Happy
time.
Events. This is the second time he's hosting Omega, and he has hosted Reggie before. But from the information I've gotten from sources, is like he makes more money when hosting Omega than he makes when he hosts Ray.
Are you sure about that?
You can do your research. You come back with facts. Actually, I'm giving you the right information from my sources. Even I think Happy Events is the right person to kumubuza akakorachi akananga.
Harawadani chata tukora irizo.
Yeah,
that's why it takes to be a dad.
So if your family nyamwa bireba.
So
tagaruka akorera
yeah, so abana namba twira out baraba. So I'm trying to say. Okay, one serious sister.
No mwana naweza kureba atwana arebi isomo nankani atwarebi isomo nankani
so it's not ngambra. So I'm trying to say is whoever contacted Happy, I have the list of the people who did it. Nekamba gambra abantu mureke kwesi babeshongoza. Artists are users. Watch it, you know such color because you believe you have a kind of friendship now at this time. But in answer that people are currently regretting why they went into that mess. Kind of a conflicting and a camp ya Omega. If you're dealing with an artist, let the relationship be conditional. Watch it, don't go an extra mile because wherever a talent is, watch it, wherever a talent is, you korecho shemere kukora reka kwereka ngo umunywano wabo kubasinga because a talent sees new people every day.
Tino ina monopoly aba.
Wachireba. So wakwereka ngo umufo wati umuntu ko atachikwinire bwire. Wachireba. So bona baterire Happy ngo stopping a show ya Omega. You did bad. You need to go back home and reflect.
Industry tekora muntu omwe industry tekora show emwe.
Me, I was in Entebbe with my family. Na salamo kurugayo to attend the concert at Rugogo because I was supporting music from Western Uganda. Actually, about
what are supporting a radio?
No, I want that support. No, Rugogo is near Cafe Jeffers. Actually, about CJs. I had an appointment with Omega at Cafe Jeffers. Rugogo was just a stone throw away.
No,
those are no more things in Kampala. Yeah, Bakaji Perez. No, it's normal.
Kauramba kana tamburo muhanda ino amire mechi
ikumi. Bakaji ino adiza.
Obakata hazwire aho kasigara nimbura aburo
mu Chiribatiya. They actually I wanted to also to submit that. Nkani nuga ku meeting at the Omegas. Now I was going to where I was going to rest at my apartment. Now, kuna ni inshora bato tax. Guy yambuza at umushiyambuza a t-shirt wajijewa. She was driving kushaka akana avuga ka this new Subarus. Because I can't tell ngombe. Nebuza ntuno kumanya. So kuna akwe na branching na we are branching na umuntu akunkura ta put. Nambuza ati where did you get the shirt from? And no, I traveled from Mara for a concert.
We did.
So this is a shirt from the awesome camp. At where can I buy them? At Nimbasazu Kuraka. And to me they gave it to me. So I don't know how much they sell them. So how much can you sell it to me? I'm not selling. I'm not selling. So at Yambuza at can 100k make sense to you?
Otinyoni nzirya hazi ujura gati yo mahanda
tunajora kare najitereze mwe rushani
tunye
sleep that apartment so yavuga yaza heru nazo mu apartment kaine nanka abaka najihamo
Nyongani mangu MVP akazura bambuga naho
misifika. No, I went and removed the what?
Ukajiera mu apartment
ya. So what does it mean? The artist has value amongst his followers. He corrupted people way back. People believe in him. They see him as a god. So I don't want to ask a compare the 100k just in a mere t-shirt. Actually, meaning he has a follower. So going back to the issue about the Happy events, it was bad, and there's no problem. Another person hosting an event elsewhere, you will encourage a walk. Kujangu yachukura hokusiguka. Kana katera full house. It shows you people at home.
Of course. It's a happy.
Atwaja ngurugo mareyo kuri nyuma kabera yobusha.
It's a happy event.
Nyuma kabera yobusha.
Redemption vya drone.
No. Nyorugo nkabanza modina.
I was also in Isaka, but ebishane mu abenu mureba it was not real because I was there.
Mugambe.
So
Rugogo, let me tell you, Rugogo had a table, but to access where ogo ambera mbokinye tiba yewe nkabandi zo ordinary nikumangu ninza koza VIP akayizire na ordinary yizire but ordinary karoba unso kumanya wachireba yanyamba nakora chi natamba. So when I reached the ordinary side kasanga na guy akumbuza Subaru ya wajire tama wajire takamba na yantu I didn't travel with what the car to no nkandi manya through betway. So enyima akati vira search the people are packed what so no I was there
no uri kureba
aba banta mutu wasirikire ngo
enyima it was not packed,
it was very
like how
packed na stage buri jo za Rugogo hizi kubaziri ejeje yaro ije
tagarko mu mboze echo so garka cha Omega Ray
so kuna manzere kuruguma ordinary niho narabire nka accessinga the tables where I was supposed to sit because okora biraho ogo mu VIP ogumiza muki ugenda table so ya table tirabaga that's an issue for another day.
Beazini about Ray and Omega.
Before nkaturi nchigamba business wise Omega was right to go and make money. Akubanyomu akuwo muntu tine munyiwe tinkumukunda. Echo necho kubanza. She was right business wise, she was right to go and make money. Then ekindi ebebe byo kujangu inababe no baterero wa mutegekere. I don't have proof about that and I don't need to discuss about it. Akuba, if I don't have proof.
Me, I have proof, but
and we need it.
No, because
you bring it, then we discuss about it.
Instead of I have that proof.
I'm not spreading a false information.
No, information you are gamba. I'm talking from one on that proof. If you know I'm lying, or someone who nimbi hamujende muntu ara police mbahereze proof. Yes. Bajende bantu ara police baba jangu tabarateriyo ape events.
Awesome.
And someone from their camp kwareteriyo.
Awesome katera happy events.
Yes.
Ngubi yosho.
Awesome. Some people who are allegedly
not fun. You're not funny warwe ninga
stakeholder. But the rap events ngwa hisho ya Omega bamara bazomu kamera bajirengo Omega no.
This is like this. This is like this.
It's a happy event to no idea, bro.
I'm giving my submission.
Okay.
If Roy G hadn't said so, akubijo bakachimbuza Galaxy na NRG. Submission is tukazireba.
Atwe Ray
bora ngambe imwe mwagambe byanyu kandi nahurikiza.
Kare cyo gamba.
So Roy G taka kigambire akora nabantu binja bakimburizo about Omega ku staging show na wajini. Does it look like they are competing? Submission is tukazireba. Omega ngokuna nakuje business wise she was right kujenda kakora show. Konka it doesn't make even news. It isn't even a topic to be discussed about kujangwe chikan sabotaging echa Rugogo.
Yetakora news.
No, it isn't a
nobody nkakazasanyuka yagira ngo akateka
wabuza nyowe ninga wabuza nobody.
Akabanza kusabotaginga nobody.
Nareka nkubuze wabuza nyowe ninga wabuza nobody. Nyondi muni pereza submission.
Me have studied nobody. I think promotions and events is a side business, but nobody is a TikToker. Watch it.
Wabuza
ni emotions nyingi.
No, he is a TikToker.
Kangu gambere sparks. Wagaruka kunyeta mutakwenda ngambe tingaruka.
Kasa tuko no gamba.
No, submission ne nimwe mujya mugati gwanyu. Nyoti nyine buzibu no muntu kuzamugati. Akwa nyoti ni mweshongozo rukundi isati no rukumpa mugati.
Tino ryo na yase.
So ati nyon wabuza nyowe ebya nobody bikuru nanye nakuja it shouldn't be even a topic kujidiscussingaho ngo show ya Omega yibiri kumekane sabotaging ya Rugogo tine nayo bikuvuganira tine nayo bikukwatagana kogabo kugira imwe nimwenda muraje Omega ni mumureta
abantu kacuraga abantu bagira ngo Omega kataso in the same day kugira ngo
nageje konka aba awesome
if that incident it is true chikabaho then it is wrong.
Yeah.
If it
that
is
was
true,
no. That's what you have said.
If it's true,
but it is
it is true.
But I don't think, me, according to me,
You
I
don't
don't
think-
think
Then
Ngwecho Chiru.
you don't
Ninga
expect
chikaba.
it, but they did it.
You don't think, but me, I know. Now me, I'm sure. I'm sure.
Ekindi.
Hapa even to receive the call from some
Ekindi,
person.
hapa events wokutegeka omweshongozi akana arangu nakumukorera sente kare yaze mukorire well and good shora ya rugogo
Is it right?
No.
Is it right?
Echo nathereze tinkugaruka mu kintu kimwe mirundi myingi show ya rugogo ekaba successful kandi nacho nikigita cyangwa ari Omega nawe akuba we wouldn't be discussing about how kuri show ya rugogo ya betaro
Let me give you stats.
No, the truth is,
that's
the truth
it.
is, you're not.
akuba wena hatabaho show ya rugogo
The truth
would
is-
be a topic.
Conquer the stats. I want you to get someone from NBS. I need to get someone from NBS before the show was organized. I want to get someone from NBS. I'll create the playlists there. Omega is the most played person
More airplay than
on
any Western
NBC
Ugandan
and
artist.
on NBS and Sanyuka than any other Western artist.
That
You
is-
do this research before the concert. Get someone from NBS
In fact, by the way,
or Sanyuka
Kampala
TV.
media ya Kampala kuza kuteka attention muri gisaga ya Ray Omega. Na Omega yamara
Yeah.
bamara kumana
Omega
he
is
at
the
sea,
household
she's
name
going
of
to
Kampala.
nanye nicho muni
Omega,
kugambirira
Omega is big in
kuratara
Kampala
tire
because of
kuratara
singles.
kuriya no
In singles.
netindi kuriya jenti
Umweshongozi wawe are big
nyoti
because of
mweshongozi wanje
collaborations.
nyoti mweshongozi
Kana
wanje
cheshongozi cha
wanje
mbere
mweshongozi
kiyo
no manyane ayirema otansiba omweshongozi
Pata
in
chikako
fact
manga.
no wawe
Pata chikako manga.
in fact ogo mweshongozi no wawe akubiwe niyo number fan wa Roigi
Hey,
number one fan
Hey,
number one supporter number one promoter wa Roigi ni Dan MVP
nana gorumga go.
Echo niwe notere omuntu ori wise or great thinker deep thinker no notireba enti ninsibo mutwaro kwara webero bibiri socials zo guhata Ruizi na Roigi
Gato kumande go.
ninga hore mu bugana ho na camera ninga microphone karu gatagambirizi na Roigi mbetheni
No, what I'm saying,
Hey, you're a fan.
No, it's
atomuntu otakwajana no mugamba hoki
Who agamba Omega ye fan.
and you ask me about her
You may even
ukiwa no mureta munayi bakwa batamuri
I asked him. I was not taking because near now about Ray.
They are in public.
nyewe nakigamba
They are in public.
social media zayo ni wori kuba
Oza gamba muntu obatakumanya.
No, social-
Gamba muntu obakumanya
so you're
kuja
fan.
mu.
No way, ninga.
At the end of the day, no.
You may I discuss everything.
iwe ukotariho show ya Roigi ya university in ekigambe kiyagambira ari MVP na MVP atito babe baruho
Numucenga cenge.
kwetaga kukishoborora abafani
Akagira mwinzi gariko quoting
mugume muri bafani
Gariko quoting
iwe
ebigambo.
byotakumanya birugeho
Gariko quoting
Gamba ki?
ekigambo kiri kiti MV nyewe eteto ne cyanje MVP ni number 1 fan wa Roigi
Is that true?
nabwo botamburiza
Roigi is my fan.
nabwo botamburiza
Ati atu haraka vimbo no. Ray ni nganda.
No, Roigi follows me. Omega follows me. People follow me.
But you follow them back. No, we following back.
I follow them back. So they are
nabwo
mutual
bataforo
followers.
wengere back ewe byako bakorera nabimanye
So I will gorumka kuri.
So no.
Now let's wrap up.
echo reka kutereza reference ya Kampala ngo batera munonga Omega kandi iwe notera munonga Roigi oine platform yo kuplaying uri
But the
gutera
truth is,
muno
now
no
this
bang
is
the truth
echiyagamba cyo gira ngo Omega nasinga Ray G Kampala airplay even before the show na show ya Ray G takagiremu Omega nasinga airplay ya Kampala Omega is
No, we are trying to.
Arnanka
Me, I want
Don't divert my submission
I want
what you want me
Reggie.
to say.
I want Reggie and Owesam to put ibisongo bya Reggie on Song Boost. Wachireba? Then maybe Omega already biri ya Song Boost.
tracking it.
Actually nyona ni tisa tureke no compare Omega na
No, what
Roigi
I'm saying, so that
You're
no,
not comparing
no, it is
abesongo
very
zabo tine necho compare
I want us to have.
tukora comparison
I want-
We are not comparing.
We are not comparing. We are not
That's
what
comparing.
are we saying?
And airplay is part of the thing.
I want those people to get on those platforms. So we have a scientific platform to measure.
Of course no
Yeah.
tracking
Yeah,
Arnanka
we
how
see.
do you know nguti bajini
No, they are not there. When they are on Song Boost, no believe.
except atunga media house
Ato bataru-
next media ne kujireti this year ningo
sati na ntaru iwe no kuchimanya utangu banzana
No.
Why are you judging yet you don't know?
Statistics in the Munda ya next media.
And you're saying Rojitara song boost bakachimanya
no, the prayers about praying abonyine next media niya provide those
statistics. Statistics is next media. Tiza
na nicho nakueleza nkagira nti na quote me right na kugira nti
next media niye kusharira mu media zone z'ibyo mu Uganda,
but the truth is niye kusinga yo nanka niye kusinga yo nanka media attention mu Uganda.
Bareke kubiha
wazagamba radio
no bareke kubiha sino vete kashoza research na mani zibukede na matwizi NTV NBS zina 3
ninga ma next media
echo kuja basreas na social
talking about a group. Then man, vision group. If you're talking about a group, if you're talking about a group, vision group jereki. But if you're talking about
kandi vision group ne she yakozere contract na Roy. Ne mutera shi.
No, we give artists eco platforms. Wacheba, we give artists eco platforms.
Wesebo. Na nyimuka kasheshe. Nyo nkanyumuka kasheshe. Ntawe TV Westogwa mukaga. Nyondeba batandika batera murebe batoce shongoro cha Emere Chikazi bataho ice shongoro cha Shayi no muciga bagarura wice shongoro cha Royiji batahunka tayari batera simpo butabika bataho Royiji ebyo shongoro nkabina aza playlist ne gumana yigarukamo nyoni ngira ko monitoringa I follow even na ready Bamba TV
by the way orgam nanka you are inside
when I'm here I don't discuss things every
anyway
think I've discussing but ngoku yacha identify narrative it's something to note
on TV
professionalism you need to balance playlists but that ngoku this is good feedback this is healthy feedback that maybe ora karebe agitwarechi about TV. Me here I can talk about the radio brand and if it came through as a review for the radio policy,
you would have
what to comment about it. But because in the TV I may not give up. But this is healthy feedback that management needs to look deep into it.
So in conclusion,
already know tukumarira cause I have a meeting. Tukumarira nyowa say ebiri 10 bikamakinga history mpango kukura kwa Western Uganda ni music na art tiraji kebe kachibe cha Omega akuba it is a topic being discussed both in the central na hand okuyaho echingo nda nkiriyaringe ndambanze niya araba abantu babiri abo mu central abarumwe batereta propaganda yo kujangu the show ekaba successful just because abantu bakabashoma bakagera yo busha
ani abantu banara bakutuma baba no bakuyifutahira mu busha that is
so ekindi no kujanti nkoku radio ya endosingira kajati let us now push people barimuni ba planning for university in nondijo mweshongozi yimuka
people live in concert
we need that solidarity
university
echo ntachanye kujangu abga show ya kachece solidarity ekereko show ya rugogo solidarity
ata ntwenda tipo
so nondijo rimuke ebe solidarity twataho 20 years of MVP in business are promoting abe show
20 years
kuna kurire current muto
tono gamba yo
20 years
childhood idol mwina
so 20 years of MVP tumwareho mubi
okay chigambo cyo cyane as we conclude it's a tipo live in university in
MVP is going to be celebrating 10 years game ya Western Uganda
sana active
already bano ryama banzi
nanta contact ingire uyinka fano hagire show
because kuba fan wa artist sejon nderutire mutinde fan
wachirewa what I'm trying to say chinkumanyise what I'm trying to say I'm going to host the event soon. The information will come in a due course, but just in our result, MVP is going to be people celebrating MVP is coming soon. Now, getting back to what Reggie said, it's good to practice what you preach. Don't sugarcoat it in the face of the public.
First, give a credit. Giving it out. Nachono chineza kore no banzo si meta ko
no na yanti okuchigamba
tukano jangu tibwire ngota kore
okay kuchigamba you need to practice what you preach wachireba He's the same person who ajirara akakiringa. When he went on NRG, akajati at Omega charged me a lot of money, yet me I would perform for free. But it's the same person who charged Ogoa Hoima Sente, Akazaho Imachi, Sheka Furoping. Ogoa Figo West. Sheka Furoping and a Figo West Azams in that. Atabantu babunyoro mwangire kwija nimwenda roiga garuke mbara gambire ngumunshwarize. Whatever, come charging Jesus. And so many other people have also even he charges money. So this is a lesson to him.
No, I said
the show ya flopping. Which na janta kaza kuhajira umuntu usho ya flopping ya complain
that was some good clarity. Now as we conclude,
Maria submission yanjye kakunanga so echikwase na kana na tipo university it's good. Watch it ever.
Kunka is alpha ready.
It's good. About being ready as long as the person has said it.
To the DM.
Watch it ever.
No.
Gajuruga.
Stakeholders so
no. Rage kugamba ngo muhagire because rage hits in neza alpha. So it's like giving back.
Yes.
But the challenge we have those that is they don't give back. Watch it. Watch it. That's what I'm saying. So he should practice what he preaches. It's spice kozere. This is a culture to every other kid. It's a culture to everyone. It's a culture to everyone. Information goes beazinya in a launch. Great kids you come was good abagis. Watch it ever. Not kuzoki ukaunama. Okabana no kuchiteka Twitter yeye ananka so getting back to the success of Rugogo. Yes, there were so many ways to drive people there. Tickets were free. Akaro free tickets nyingi. Akaro subsidized cost ya transport. But it's okay people to travel from regions to other places. Was Old Trafford a match day? Not all people come from Manchester. People travel with trains from as far as other areas to come. If you remember, there was a bomb scare for some Manchester United match, then we were postponing it to a Monday. But there was a lot of young people who had gone and flowed back to their respective areas. Whatever. So the incentives were there to help people travel from different areas. I asked our border. That's where my colleagues told me we'll go for after party. Staging. How is the turn up? So this means if we are to go by the crowd, Reggie must have set a national record. Yeah,
that is a fact.
If we are if they are going to be genuine, but here's real stats. Me, I'm using a stat ya boda kufutira.
But let's wrap up.
Bade banjinyo. Meaning, at the Robert Chizechi, naba winning. So we need to appreciate that we managed to have people. Because my contribution also should be appreciated. Obanka criticizing, Obanka Gamachi, but I created the engagement around him. I want to buy a VP and people went to go.
Let's wrap up. You guys, let's wrap up.
The show was to enrich Reggie as an individual. There's no way it's going to benefit Western Uganda music. The show helped Reggie as an individual.
And with that being said, of course, Nabande Sparks, Nabangile Savage Camera, this is Nkwale Media, the biggest YouTube channel we have in Western Uganda, the biggest YouTube family. Thanks to our 72K family. Kandokusana Murundi, get to see us when you see you.